Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to get pumpkin seed in Minecraft. Now the easiest way to get pumpkin seed is by finding pumpkins. Pumpkins can be found in two biomes, taiga biomes and snowy taiga biomes. These are the easiest. If you are lucky you can find them laying across the grass in forest biomes, which are very rare. But these two are the best biomes that you can find. You can get them by picking them up like so. If you want pumpkin seeds, like this tutorial, you're going to put it in your crafting inventory. Like so. If I can find it. But if I cannot find it, I just get a crafting table. Like so, you get pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds can be also found in villages and woodland mansions that have already been grown into actual pumpkin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.